Hey good looking, welcome back. Today I am featuring the Violet Eclipse Mini Palette by Makeup Geek. So stay tuned for swatches and this eyeshadow tutorial. Okay, let's first get into some swatches and the preliminary stuff. This palette is the complete purple column from the Color Matrix palette. So you guys, I'll show you guys here which row it is. There are 4 matte eyeshadows and a reusable magnetic mini palette that are included. The first shade that's included in the palette is Lavender Dreams, which is described as a light, soft lilac. Current Obsession is a medium cool purple. The third shade is Curfew, which is a rich, cool purple. Lastly, Eternally Grateful is described as a deep, cool purple. Okay, now that you guys have seen the swatches, let's not waste any more time. But first, if you find value in this episode, please make sure you subscribe to my channel down below. I feature single eyeshadows, makeup brushes that aren't Morphe, and sunscreens. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see more episodes in this series. Let's go ahead and get into this makeup tutorial. Violet Eclipse Mini Palette. Okay, so Current Obsession right here in the crease with the Refer 16. I am super stoked about this. I really love purples. And again, just used the MAC Painterly paint pot. Did not set that at all, so that way everything is just going to be kept consistent. Let's do Curfew all over the lid. Sigma shader E20 and Eternally Grateful. Let's use Eternally Grateful and run it on the top part and the bottom part too. And then just blend out with Lavender Dreams, the underneath lower lash line. Yeah.
Do it till the 19th.
Alright, so for face, I really kind of want to mix Tawny with Sunkissed. Is that what it is? Yeah, Sunkissed with Tawny. So I'm just going to kind of blend them together. This is a MAC by Robert Lee Morris brush. I'm just going to sweep it all over. And then like up here on the forehead, I'll just use Sunkissed because I don't really need that much bronzer or definition. Then towards the cheekbones, I'll add just a little bit more definition and put some Tawny with it, which is that deep or middle tone. I'm not quite fair, but I'm also not like medium either. So just dip into both of these and just, yeah, I think that gives me the definition that I kind of want to see. Alright, so I thought it would be fun to, since it's a purple look, use Psychedelic for a highlight. However, it's a duochrome. I'm not really feeling a duochrome today, so I think I'm just going to use Daybreak, which is kind of like, I don't know, a peachy pink. Yeah, I just think it's a nice like peachy pink highlighter. Alright, so the Makeup Geek cheek highlighter brush that's dry today. Since I kept it really kind of monochromatic on the lid, I think I want to keep a nice berry toned lip, so Makeup Geek's gloss in the shade Sangria. Oh my goodness, I didn't realize how dark it was. And then for blush, I'm going to dip into some of the older pans, and this is Promise Ring, and I'm mixing it with Soulmate. So just dip into both of those pans and put that on the cheek with the Makeup Geek Face Buffer brush. Oh. Not really going to blush straight because it's not like a neutral or a warm tone, and I feel like blush draping looks the best with warm tones. That could just be me. Waterline, let's put in brown for the waterline and the lower lash line as well. Curl the lashes. Makeup Geek's Extension Effect Mascara. I keep wanting to say lash extension. And that is it. That is the completed look. I'll zoom you guys out for the final look. Alright, that is it. This is the completed look, and I got you guys zoomed out. I chose a really nice bold lip to go with the kind of almost subdued purple. I find that purple flatters and complements all eye shapes, and the Makeup Geek website suggests that it complements all eye colors as well. I hope you guys found this episode exciting, and then you want to see more. Please comment down below your favorite video so far in this series, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Guys, I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.